You are welcome to Bab's Diction class. Here we guide people through the appropriate pronunciation of the words of English. We have a few words for you to learn today. 1. Father. The word is not pronounced as father. Let's have a sentence. I have an handsome father. 2. Mother. The word is not pronounced as mother. Let's have a sentence. He baked a cake for his mother. 3. Brother. The word is not pronounced as brother. Let's have a sentence. My brother is here. Thanks very much for learning today. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe.